Hello everybody. So of course it's Saturday, so I have to do a live video. So I'm gonna start with this little one. Of course she might not do it now that I have the camera on her, but she always says, "What are you doing?" What are you doing? There it is. Good girl. Good job. What are you doing? Are you totally showing off her Instagram? Hi. For Alexandrine. Hickory, hey! Hickory, can you wave to everybody on Instagram? Huh? Say hi. Say hi. There it is. Good boy. Good boy, Hickory. So we have Maria giving some baths to some of the birds. Toby loves getting sprayed. It's like his favorite pastime. He adores it. He'll get all fluffy. He sings. He dances. He's awesome. Hi, Dad. Hi. Hi, Toby. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Are you jealous? You're gonna get your shower next? Yes, I think so. He loves it. It's so cute. Hi, Jojo. She's so jealous. She's like, I need to be sprayed next. Oh my gosh, Toby, he loves it. Wow, Toby. Does that feel good? Look at him go. Oh my gosh, he loves it. Here he goes. It's so pretty. Hi. I love it. What do you think, Jojo? We have Rascal. Rascal desperately needs to get sprayed. Look at how rough you look. She's like, Mom, leave me alone. I'm eating. Right? I love you. I love you. Hello. Hello. We have our umbrella out. Hi, baby girl. Sweetest thing ever. This is the biggest cuddle bug, right? You're just a big cuddle bug. Yes. Such a good girl. And then these two just switched stands on me. Hi, baby girl. So baby Hyacinth. She is molting right now. I cannot wait till she gets all of her big girl feathers in. She is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then our Camelot. Look at this tail. It blows my mind. He is the prettiest bird. I just adore his color. So pretty. Hi, handsome. Hi. Everybody thinks you're super beautiful. Yes, they do. Hi, handsome. He's so pretty. His color is just gorgeous. What are you doing? And our Major Mitchell is destroying everything in their path. Oh my gosh, I've never seen two birds more destructive with toys in my whole life. Like, literally, these toys were put in there a week and a half ago, and they're already almost demolished. But that's okay. That's what they're there for, right? Hi. Hi. It's so cute. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your weekends. If you're available to come into Parrot Stars in the next couple weeks, we are going to have so many babies coming through. So baby season has just started. It'll be a full house very quickly here. So If anybody has any questions about any of the birds in the videos today or any of the babies that we have coming up this baby season, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.